Sir Topham Hatt is coming by this afternoon, Thomas, to see how you're getting on.
I'm getting on okay now, aren't I?
Of course you are. I think you nearly know as much about cars as I do now.
Oof. Uh-oh.
Almost.
I meant to do that.
Help! They're pushing me! They're pushing me!
James! Thomas! Thomas! Come back! Oh.
Oh, dear! Help! I don't want to go any faster! My brakes! No! Stop! I want to Oh, Thomas!
Use your brakes! Use your brakes!
I can't! My brake blocks are on fire! They're made of wood!
I'm going to try to couple up behind you, James! I'm going to try to slow you down!
Hurry, Thomas!
Couple me up! Couple me up! I need to slow James down!
Right.